starting with the RS-232 to 422 converter. I'll plug in this cable, and I've got the latches in the unlatched position, and then you can see the latching mechanism. And then it'll plug in right here, and then I push that one up and that one down, and then it's latched. Okay, now we'll plug in this input module to this connector. I start with the latch in the unlatched position. You can see the latch mechanism here. This is the unlocked position. That's the locked position. And I plug it on, but I don't push down too hard or it's difficult to latch. So lift up just slightly, back it out a little bit, and then the latch will operate. Okay, the next cable on this input module is this little coax, and it will plug in right next to the other connector for that input module. The input module that's on the left goes to the lower position. The input module on the right goes up here. And connecting this input module and connecting the two cables from the top of the monochromator. They'll plug in here and here. First I make sure this is in the unlatched position. Plug it in, latch, and latch. This one has the latches ready to go just by pressing it into place.